Namaskar. This video is about amazing math trick and Kelsey challenge 3. Here I will divide a triangle into few parts. So let us have a triangle and suppose I divide this triangle into 4 parts. Okay, so we have to count the number of triangles. Then certainly you can do faster calculation than anybody else. Okay, so here you have to count the total number of triangles possible. Fine. So here I have divided the triangle into 4 equal parts. Let us see how many total triangles are there in this picture. So here we have 10 triangles, only 10 triangles. Yes guys. Let us have one more such case where the triangle is divided into few triangles. Here 3 and 3, 6, 7. The triangle is divided into 7 parts and we have to count the total number of triangles. Here also we can do it very easily and the value is 28. Just 28. Okay guys. Let me reveal the secret of success here. Okay, what I did, any number is there in which the triangle is divided into few parts. You have to multiply that number with the next number, okay, and divide by 2. This will give you the answer. Here also you have to perform the same thing. So it means in general, if we have suppose n parts, the triangle is divided into n parts, then total number of triangles formed will be n into n plus 1 whole upon 2. This will give us total number of triangles. Okay guys, so this is a formula for counting. Okay guys, I am sure that with this formula you can do calculations faster than anybody else. In this challenge I have a simple table of 99, okay, which I will perform here and Mr. Narendra will do on calculator. Let us see who does it fast. You can also check your computation skills and I am sure that you will also do faster than calculators. Okay guys, so let us see. So are you ready?
Yes sir.
So let us start. Done. So guys, you know, this thing also we did faster than calculators. So these amazing tricks you can also try at home. So what was the logic here? I wrote 9 in the middle, then I started the counting numbers 0, 1, 2 and so on, and from here once again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the magic of mathematics. Okay, let us see one more magic in this video. So this is also a very simple mathematical challenge. I know everybody can do, but we are doing in a tricky way. Okay, that is the only difference. Okay, so let us see. So this calculation also you can perform faster than any other electronic device. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do in a simple manner. Okay, what I did, you just see, I've written all the counting numbers in a specific manner. After every 5 number, I have left a number. Fine. Here I have left 11, 17 I have left, and then till 22. And now I am writing something else. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Same thing, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Again the same thing, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And this is the answer, guys. Right? This is a simple mathematical trick, okay, which I hope you have understood. So guys, we will meet with more amazing mathematical trick in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.